Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I will be using it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into a reasonable one. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. Right from this support zone, this started the buy trend. You can see the yellow flag and of course the blue arrow, and it gives us an assurance that this is going to buy for long, and it's bought for a very long time. This came to an end at this resistance zone, and of course it started a downtrend right from here, and it kept on selling until it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out below the support zone, but it is still more of a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, but if it does not, then it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset will be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Remember, I'm using the 3M train Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. I'm on 5-minute time frame. Okay, this started an uptrend right from here, played around there for a while, but later on broke out above the resistance zone to get to this new resistance zone. Okay, so right from here it started selling because it was unable to break out above it. You can see the red flag, and we got the sell signal, and it has been selling since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset will be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend right from here. You can see it crashing down and down. It got to this support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then it will go back on buy trend fully, but once it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so for now this might be going into a buy trend any moment from now, most especially if it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It started an uptrend from here. It came to an end at this resistance zone, and it started selling right from there, and you can see this very long spike. It shows that it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it kept on selling until it got to this support zone. It was unable to go below it, and of course it started buying right from there, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, I want you to take note of all these and take advantage of the opportunity right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.